Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited because this is day 3 of our first family church cruise. And guess what? Today, the morning starts with an arrival at Princess Cay. Princess Cay, interestingly enough, is located in the area of the Bahamas. It is a private destination owned by that of the Princess Cruises. And today we're going to take a journey through out of this particular region and show you the sights, tell you a little bit along the way about what there is to know about, again, Princess Cays. We'll be here for a few hours, if at best. We arrived on that of the Carnival Sunrise. This is a 5-day, 4-night journey, and what a time we've had thus far. If you've been joining us along this way, you know, again, this is day 3. Check out our previous videos to see what we have already done. But we're going to be here for a few hours. And I promise you, you want to hang to the end because some surprising things happened that truly blew my mind. I'll speak to that in a moment. But as we get going, I want to give you some fun facts as it pertains to Princess Cays. Princess Cays, often referred to, interestingly, as an island, isn't really identified as an island. It's more like a rock or a reef, if at best, or simply a low bank. So in other words, it may appear to be an island.
Hello everyone, welcome. We are here at the beautiful island of Eleuthera.
All right.
Yes, me and my sister, we are relaxing.
Well, there you have it. Princess Cay is a private resort owned by, and again, the Princess Cruises, located on the southern tip of the Eleuthera Island. And there is one native to the Bahamas that's shared with you there. That's a family that's along the way with us on this journey, and we're going to meet a few others along the way. You might catch some familiar faces if you are in fact familiar. But we took all that there was to take in along the way, and boy, what a time we had. The weather was perfect. I had a chance to sit with my family and just kind of enjoy a meal. More than that, I took a liberty to just kind of walk around. I'll give you definitely some aerial views along the way, just what I grew to appreciate, and of course what you can anticipate seeing if you've never been in this region before. This is once again my honest review, and I promise you this is going to be one like none other, because this one takes you into that of Princess Cays. We've been here just a few hours so far. I've been able to capture some beautiful scenes, get to have you see a little bit of the island and of course much of what it has to offer. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as we did on this particular trip. Get ready to see some more. Thank you. Tune in now, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. May not know this already, but it's worth sharing that the Bahamian islands, as far as the Bahamas go, guess what, folks? There are over 700 islands. That's a fun fact. In fact, you will find that in and amongst them, there are some beautiful islands in part that share some stunning white sandy beaches, turquoise water, as you can see in the far distance, and of course, some lush greenery along the way. If you're one that loves to swim, perhaps you want to take in the coral reefs. It has the most vibrant of such, and it's just offshore, so you don't have to go very far in part to see such. In fact, I would suggest that it is the perfect destination point for some snorkeling and of course to explore some marine life as well along the way. I promise you, there are a number of things that were offered while we were on the island, such as paddleboarding, kayaking, jet skiing. Listen, the waters were just simply clear, pristine, in fact. The temperature, amazing. And I promise you, you will not be bored any. If you just simply want to kick back and just enjoy the sun, there's that too. But I promise you, there's so much to see and so much to enjoy. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, because I promise you, pictures don't say enough. The video hopefully conveys a little bit more, but there's nothing like being there. And when you get there, be sure to take a walk around. Don't just get locked into any one location. Like I said, for us, we were there a couple of hours, but we certainly, like you can see, several others taking advantage of the time that they have here on their vacation. There are a lot of family fun activities. You can go certainly shopping. You can certainly take in the water. Particularly on this cruise, the water was a little bit frigid, to be honest with you. Yes, it's the start of the winter season here in the U.S., but it didn't quite warm up for us. So we spent as much time we could there, and now we're back on our way to that of our ship. We decided in part to take in a meal, and I promise you, this is where the tables start to turn. This was an amazing experience. If you ever aboard, you want to stop in on the Carnival Sunrise is the ship that we're on, and partake in the crab or the seafood menu. It is phenomenal. It will be worth the money, I'm sure. As far as my family, we love, dining on some seafood. And of course, this was one such experience. I'm gonna pull back because we met an amazing person in Z. Z, you share with them, praise God, what we saw.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
maybe it's good.
yes, maybe it's good. She doesn't count anyway, so it's okay.
5,000 each.
Yes, just 5,000.
Show how much.
Yes. Oh my God, she needs to be on our collection team.
5,000 is nothing. No, but we can't take it with us.
Right, right. There we go.
I was giving it just
Thank you for the
How is he?
visuals.
Yes, yes. There's the ring.
Let me see.
Hold on, dim your screen because I know it's bright.
Oh, it's the 8,995. How much? The 8,995.
Oh, see, it went down. Now it's in the budget. Now it's in the budget.
Okay, so we're gonna do it. No, don't worry. You can give me the credit card. Just tell me her room number.
Oh yes. Oh, thank you. I'll see. I'll be down. Yes, there we go. Thank you.
Listen, we had some amazing time, and now we're moving on to our love and marriage show. This is where the tables turn. My parents were called to the stage, y'all. This is amazing.
Call Joshua and Tim right now.
This was
Call Joshua and
unexpected.
Joshua and Timothy now. They need to be.
Is now to
Oh my God.
if you have been married anywhere between, let's say,
What's that? Is that Mario? Okay. All right, DJ, stop it. Stop it. Stop.
no, it's you to remain standing because, ladies, you will have to vote. Which couple
My God.
deserves to come up here on stage? If you're here, I'm just serious.
Oh, no, you can't.
We have the experience in the room.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, what is your name?
Constance.
Constance. And sir, we have one question for you. Did you wash your hands? Don't answer. Well, look at that. You walked back into the room. Your wife was on stage. Do you know what you're doing here? This is going to be fun, sir. What is your name? Emerson. And how long have you been married to Miss Constance?
40 years.
Here. Now, when I'm talking about ice cream, you know what I mean, right? Look at me. Ice cream. Look at me. Ice cream. Look at me. Ice cream.
This couple over here. Or is it Constance?
Wow, seriously.
If you enjoyed the show, say, oh yeah.
And they happened to win on the marriage show. And what an amazing time. This is the recap.
We're here live. We just did Love and Marriage with a few couples. You know, we had a good time. There was a lot of good things going on. So now we have to do the aftermath of Love and Marriage. So, Apostle, how are you doing, sir? Everything good?
Some things you can never unsee. I'm still in therapy. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Therapy coming Tuesday.
Yes,
As soon as we get
yes,
off the boat.
As soon as we get off the boat.
Yeah, okay.
Listen, all y'all, it was just an amazing experience. And needless to say, we're on vacation, so we decided to make the best of it. Congrats to my parents. Shout out to them. And guess what? Thank you for watching. This is day 3. Don't you miss what's coming up on day 4, because day 4, we're on the island of Nassau. That is also a part of the Bahamas. So I definitely want you to follow us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tune in. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you on the next one.